Hi, it's me, Siddiqui, and I'm from US Elite Mathematics Tutoring Service. I'm back with another question, and this question is about limit function. Which of the following limits is equal to integration 5 is the upper limit, 3 is the lower limit, x power 4 dx. So we have to find out that which of the following limits are equal to the function given in the question. Alright, so this is actually the Riemann sum form. Alright, and to check that which of the limits are equal to the function we have, we will first solve the equation we have. 5, 3, x power 4 dx. Alright, so for these kind of equations, if we are asked to find out that which of the limit is equal to the function we have and the kind of limit functions we have, this is the Riemann sum form, and here this equation is equal to summation of f of xk, alright, f of xk times delta x. Alright, so let's find out the delta x first, because to convert this equation or which of the following limit function is equal to this, we have to find out this so that this equation can be equal to this. Alright, so delta x is equals to b minus a over n. B minus a over n. B is the upper limit and a is the lower limit. So b is 5 and a is 3. So 5 minus 3 over n. So the delta x is 5 minus 3 is equals to 2 over n. Alright, now finding out this part. So function of xk is equals to actually summation of k is equals to, let's say, 1, and the upper limit of the summation is n, and this is equals to f a plus k radical x bracket close radical x. This is the formula for the function of xk summation. Alright, so we have the function a plus k radical x is 2 over n. Radical x is 2 over n, which is 2k over n. And in place of a, we know the value because a is the lower limit, so a is 3. Alright, and delta x, and the delta x equation was 2 over n. So delta x will be replaced by 2 over n. Alright, so this will become function 3 plus 2k over n times by 2 over n. So let's see which of the answer suits our answer. Right, so 3 plus 2k over n times 2 over n. This is the answer. 3 plus 2k over n summation. We will use the summation sign as it is. So 3 plus 2k over n times 2 over n. So according to the power we have in all of the options, which is 4, so we will apply 4 power here. Now it completely looks like our answer, which is part D. Now if you look at it, so summation function of 3 plus 2k over n power 4 dot 2 over n. Now look at this look alike. Alright, so D part is the answer of the question number 8. And I hope you have understood. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.